Alrighty, breakfast time. Got some pineapple in here and mango. 3 mangoes. I've got 1 Nam duck and 2 champagne Atolfo mangoes. And here's the mangoes. This one here, that's a Nam duck mango. Okay, you can see it's soft. It's, oh man, it's just pure. It melts in your mouth. Sweetness and goodness. These 2 here, these are Atolfo mangoes, or some people call them champagne mangoes. Again, super sweet, really nice. So that's what I had in that smoothie. I had 1 Nam duck and 2 champagne with some pineapple juice. You can't beat it. Well, this is my 2nd or 3rd glass. And I just put some pineapple juice in there. Really nice. Oh, it tastes so good. I got the pineapple juice from Trader Joe's. Very tasty. Hits the spot. Pineapple is such a good fruit. It's very anti-inflammatory. It has bromelain, which helps metabolize. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme, which helps metabolize protein. So if you're looking to burn some fat, pineapple's the way to go. It's also really good against infections. Say you have a sinus infection, pineapple, excellent. We grow our own pineapples here. Here's 2 little babies that my wife picked just recently. And these things are so good, you can almost eat the core. They're so, they're soft, they're super sweet, and they've been ripened by the sun. So look at the beautiful color there. And pineapples are an awesome fruit. I highly recommend them. Go for it. It mixes fantastic with mango and lots of other things as well. I put chopped pineapple in my salads. It's fantastic. Oh yeah, you gotta fruit up. Fantastic. Very good for your health. All the best, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All the best. Fruit up. Yeah, here we go. Fruit up, baby.